You're not going to believe it, but I'm pretty into hot sauces. And I have one that just always comes back to me in terms of what I love. It's about $5 a bottle, but you can get it at your local Buffalo Wild Wings. Now, I hate going to Buffalo Wild Wings. I think their food is pretty much garbage. However, spicy garlic sauce is bomb because A, it's spicy. B, it's got buffalo. Frank, oh my god. And the garlic in it it's just supreme. There's nothing else that I've found personally that I like each quality in itself. The heat is good. The garlic is really bold inside of it, and it's nice. I like it a lot. If you have a favorite sauce that you put on stuff, let me know in the comments what your favorite is. I obviously like a lot of different hot sauces, but this one, it's really good. And I hate to kind of sell out and go to like a chain, but it's darn good. Here's the nutritional facts. Cayenne red pepper is the biggest thing. Soybean oil, salt, garlic, egg yolk. So you gotta refrigerate it after opening. However, I've left it out plenty of times and it's just fine. I put it on pizza. I put it on chicken, rice, steak occasionally, but that's kind of weird. Yeah, it's just really good. I mix it in with ketchup for French fries, and yeah, I like it a lot. It's made in Westerville by the Marzetti company, so that's not too far. They make some of the like salad dressings and whatnot. So this is kind of local. That's kind of neat. Well, anyways, thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the flip side.